Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Sorry that I haven't been here in a minute. I've been busy with my barbershop and my business and stuff like that. But I just recently bought these new headlights on Amazon. I'll try to leave the link in the description. And here's how they looked before. And then I'm going to show you how it looked after. So that's before. And that's the after. Here's how they look. Well, they're off. They look pretty nice. They look clean. And here's how they look when they're turned on during the day. The other ones, man, I just couldn't see out of them anymore. Especially when it was at night, you couldn't even tell the lights were on because they were so dull. But yeah, currently working on my windshield wipers too. My windshield wipers, they haven't been working. And here's how they look during the night. They give off some pretty good light. I highly recommend these headlights. They were super easy to put in. It was just basically plug and play. But yeah, please make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. One thing I've been meaning to show y'all is also another thing that I've been focusing on. Let me know if y'all would like more content on this. They're my two corn snakes. I'm gonna be doing some corn snake content. If y'all would like for that, please let me know in the comments if y'all would like for that to happen. I'm gonna show y'all here how they look like in a bit.